morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's a beautiful morning because you know Mel just got her run in. Yes, honey. I just got my run in and that feels really good. It's hot, so I'm sweating really good, burning a good amount of calorie this morning. I like get my run in early in the morning. If you guys know me, I don't really like to wait until afternoon. Yes, I can put in a second piece, or if I don't get to do it in the morning, it's a good fallback. But starting my morning with workout is the best thing ever. So make sure you guys get in your workout in. Make sure you guys work out. It doesn't really matter what you do, just do something. So make sure you guys do your workout. Have a good day. Baby's off to work. I don't know if he vlogged this morning, but if he does, you guys will see him. And Tyler is here, just strolling around. Hey baby. Thank you. You wanna say hello? Blow them some kisses. Come here. Blow them kisses. Tyler. Blow them kisses. Thank you. Look. Blow them kisses. Hey, high five too. Good job. Oh, you guys, workout is finally done and I am so super tired. Tyler is here chilling with me, working out. Well, he's working out, playing games. But as you guys can see, it's a beautiful day outside. It's hot. It's looking good over the city. It's a beautiful day out. So it's a good way to start my morning, doing some abs overlooking this beauty. I won't even get mad about it because it's my fault, trying to capture memories as much as possible. So I was giving Tyler a bath just now and he likes to splash the water, but he have a new technique these days that he's so fascinated by. So I don't put the camera at the usual spot. I remove it from where I used to put it and put it higher. So that way if he splash the water, it wouldn't catch it. Just now he was splashing and as I said, Tyler, no, stop. And I turn around and look at the camera. All the camera lens was in water. It was wet. So I don't know if you guys can see right here, it looks a little bit foggy. That's some water just sitting there in the lens looking at me like, hey girl, hey. And it was, all of it was foggy, like right here. And I just tried to get out the fog. Hopefully I can get this out, but it's one of those things. Just when my camera is about to be a year old. But that's okay, I won't get mad about it. He's actually down for a nap. They're cutting the yard, the lawn, so I'm actually going to close this door because it's super loud. And that's better. I'm gonna go make me some lunch right now. So there you have it, guys. And lunch is ready. Quick and easy way of making a healthy lunch, a healthy salad. So if you like this video, you guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Catch up and keep up, you guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next Mel's Kitchen. Man, you guys, if you only know how disappointed I am right now. So seeing that it's sunny and all, and it's really a good time of year to take out the barbecue, I decided to take out our barbecue and set it up. We have a little one, as you know. We're not a big family and we don't have a huge space for barbecue. So take out the barbecue, set it up, and bam, it's not giving me anything. It's electric. It's right here. And just set it up, plug it in, and it's not hotting. It's not giving me anything at all. Nothing. I'm so pissed. Baby's gonna be so disappointed when I tell him that it's not working, because he super love barbecue. This light is supposed to be coming on when I turn it on, and I'm not getting anything from him from it. I really wanted to surprise him and make barbecue, because he's a huge fan of barbecue, but I'm not getting nothing from it. And it's not the card, it's not the electricity, so I don't know what's going on. Nothing. The chicken was here prep and waiting to go barbecue. Now I'm gonna have to find a different method of doing this chicken real fast, and it's almost my dinner time. I can't go do oven chicken now. The oven is gonna have to warm and all that, so I'm just gonna have to throw it on the stove. Oh my god, I'm so disappointed. I was really looking forward to the barbecue, and I deliberately wait until so close to my dinner time because I know it would be ready in time for my dinner in the next 15-20 minutes. I'm so disappointed, you guys. Nothing. I'm not getting nothing from it. It's not, the grill is not heating. Nothing at all. So you guys, I just browned my chicken. Really nothing fancy. Get out of the kitchen. This is the outcome of dinner. This one is mine, and that one is babe. I just felt for the corn. I don't feel for the broccoli. So this is what dinner is gonna be tonight, you guys. Tyler already have dinner in the fridge, so I don't really have to cook for him, and I'll have leftovers for lunch tomorrow. So dinner is ready, and hope everybody's happy even though I'm still pissed. Oh my god, I'm so pissed. And Tyler is out there begging for food. Why are you out of the kitchen, my love? It's coming. Hungry belly. Go, go. Whoa. You guys, Tyler and I actually at the park having a little fun. Seeing that we can't go to the pool, then might as well come to the park. There he is, big boy. Mama don't have to hold him to go no more. Go, go baby, go. Look at him. Wow. You guys, I haven't given you any Jamaican expression today, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. The Jamaican expression for today is, see if I get a good lighting, but then the sun is in my eye. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Simple means, can I have some of that? It's just the Jamaican pattern. Go, go baby. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Hey, give me some of that. Give me some of that. That one should be easy for babe when he gets home later. Oh, and I'm super proud of babe. Babe actually started all over his journey today. He's down by the famous street jogging with one of his co-workers. You're hiding me? He's actually jogging with one of his co-workers. He's jogging, and then I think he's gonna jog home after all that jogging, so that should be awesome. And I'm super proud of him for going back to working out. Before our vacation he started, and we had to stop to go on vacation. So now that we're back, we're slowly getting in the groove of working out and getting everything going. Hey, go, go, go big boy, go big boy, go, go big boy, go big boy, go. Wow. And you guys, it is the first time I'm taking Tyler out of the house without Pampers. So I made him pee before we leave, and we've been here for a little while and he haven't had any accident. So that's super good. He's in big boy underwear. Go baby, go! Go! Look at him. Go on, go on. Whoa! Ta-da! I'm gonna hide you. Ta-da! Come, go, go on. Look at my big boy. Up and up and up and up and up. Go. So drawn. Go, baby. Go, baby. Hey, Babo.
Hi guys, good evening. It's been a long day. A little bit. I woke up from 5 a.m. this morning. Went to work, walk out. I went to run. Today is Tuesday, the 30th of May. I went to run.
He did, you guys. I'm so proud of you, babe. Good job.
Yeah, now I'm just feeling very, very tired, and it's almost 10 p.m. and I need to go get some rest.
You look tired.
The fun expression for today is well, I think in the last minute I said 2 or 3 times tired, so the French word for today will be fatigué. Fatigué mean tired. So yeah, I think you're gonna hear me a lot say fatigué. Say the French expression.
Fatigué.
Fatigué, yeah, fatigué. Fatigué is from fatigue. Fatigue. Fatigue is also be used in French. So fatigue is the word, and fatigué is like the conjugation of it. So I am fatigué.
Alright, so there you guys have the French expression, and I'm going to go ahead and give him the Jamaican expression. So the Jamaican expression today was give me some of that.
Give me some of that.
Right. You know what that means?
Give me some of it, some of that.
Can I have some?
Yes, I think.
Yes. So that one wasn't too hard
So
for him.
give me some of that.
When you want some of my hair?
Give me some of that.
Lord have mercy, you're a mess.
Take out your wig.
I don't want any wig. You're such a mess. You guys, Tyler is long off to bed. I don't think he had got to tell you guys bye, but he's off to bed. He's in La La Land sleeping right now. So yeah, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure you guys make this week a good week. Make sure you guys work out. Can you believe that babe worked out? And yes, he was pretty disappointed about the barbecue. I don't even think that he checked on it.
No, I did. No, I feel fatigued for that, but that would have been so nice. When I came back, I was hungry.
I know he would have really be excited about that barbecue chicken.
But it's a good thing, because otherwise I would have get double the amount of chicken. So.
But that's okay, the chicken won't hurt you.
Yeah, but it's okay.
Alright, you guys, we're just basically coming on to end of this vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do, give this video a
thumbs up.
Right, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching us, catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. The bass in his voice, mom. Babe, what just happened outside?
I think it's the barbecue.
What did you do?
I fix it.
You guys, this must be a joke. I know I already ended the vlog, but I had to come back on. Did you know that babe went outside and call me and the barbecue was on. I guess some things I'm to just leave alone. I can't believe that he just fixed the barbecue that I've been struggling with all day and got mad about. Got mad for no reason, and the barbecue is working. What if I didn't wait until he come home and went and bought a new one? What? That would have been hilarious. Well, the barbecue is working. Thank God, babe, fix it. Don't ask me what he did. Well, he showed me what he did. So next time if I turn it on and it doesn't comes on, then I know exactly what to do. So I guess some things I should just leave alone and don't be bothered with it and leave it up to babe. So yeah, I'm just coming on to tell you guys that I'm no longer upset because my barbecue is working. Babe, you happy?
I'm not upset at all. I'm not upset at all. I'm the cool one. I'm the zen one. You're the crazy one.
Did he just say that?
I don't mean crazy. I mean you're the one who get pissed fast. I'm the one who you struggle to make me pissed.
I think he's right. Anyway, you guys, I'm a hothead. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.